Hey, it's Atif here, one of the SEO executive at Parliament. So today we are gonna study the product schema that we can implement on our websites if we are selling any of the product over there. So what we can do is we can just go to InstantSchema.com, the website I'm using to generate schemas. Click on generate schema button and over here select the type of schema that you wanna build. For now I'm gonna build the product schema and just keep pasting the details in the below fields as much as you can. For example, the product I am gonna sell on my website is this and its description. I'm gonna paste it here. Then image URL, for example, this is the URL, and then SKU, identifier number for the product, and what is the brand. So native shoes. Then I can paste the price over here. Then what's the shipping cost? For example, that is 12, and then merchant return policy if we do have any, for example, this one, and then your schema will be generated over here. What you need to do is just copy it from here and then go to the product post or page where you have added that specific product. Go to end of that page, and then the way you can implement that is just go to plus icon over here, then drag an html field from here, and then just copy the complete schema that was generated over here and paste it here, and click on the publish button. Your schema will be implemented in this way. So that's how we are gonna implement the product schemas on our website. And the benefit of it is, for example, if any of the users searches on Google like native shoes under 150 CAD, so our website will be automatically shown over there because Google will know what we have added in the schema, and over there we have added that the shoes we are selling is costing us 129.99 CAD. And then if we offer a free shipping over here, then if a user search for native shoes with free shipping, something like that, then of course our website will be shown over there because the Google crawler will understand from our schema code that the product we are selling is uh, free in case of shipping cost, and the user may need to pay only the actual price of that specific product. So that's how the schema works.